If you post a video on YouTube and on the first day the video got views and on the second day it also got views, then after the second day it stopped getting views, trust me, you're not alone because I am passing through this same problem. The thing is, there are some mistakes that small creators are making, and these mistakes are the reason why YouTube is not recommending your video. Some small creators don't even realize that they're making these mistakes. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly why YouTube is not recommending your videos and what you should do instead. Honestly, and trust me, I am passing through this same issue. My channel is passing through the same issue. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I've learned and what you should do to make YouTube recommend your videos. So let's just dive in. There's something I learned about YouTube. The truth is that YouTube is not ignoring your videos or even my videos. YouTube is testing your videos. So anytime you post a video, YouTube will take that video and show it to a small group of people. That is it. That's why whenever you post a video on the first day, you will get some views, and on the second day, you will also get views. The thing is, YouTube is testing your video. It will take it and show to like a small group of people. If they watch it and the response is well, they watch the video till the very end and they engage, then YouTube will be like, okay, this video is good. Let's like show you to a more number of people. So that's it. That's why after the first day you get some views, second day you get some views. Then if your video performed well, if the first few people that watched your video like watched it very, very well, they watched it to the very end, then YouTube will like promote your videos. But if after you post your videos and YouTube shows it to a small group of people and they don't respond well, then the YouTube algorithm will not recommend your video, because YouTube wants people to spend time on their platform. And if people are clicking off immediately from your video, that shows that your video is not good. So YouTube will not recommend your video anymore. Another reason why YouTube will stop recommending your videos is if you have low click-through rate. Let's say, for example, you posted your videos and YouTube like showed your video to 100 people, that is 100 impressions, and out of the 100 only 2 people clicked. This is very, very low, like low, very, very low. Just imagine 2 people out of 100 liked your video or clicked on your video. It's very, very bad, and this will make YouTube to not recommend your video. So if your click-through rate is low, YouTube will stop recommending your videos. So how do you get a high click-through rate? You have to make sure that your thumbnail and your title grabs attention. Your thumbnail and your title, make sure that they grab attention. Design it in a very good way. And your titles, make sure that your title sparks like curiosity. Like make sure that your title will make people curious. Like when they click on this video, what will they expect? That is the truth. So make sure that you design your thumbnail and your title, make it very, very good. And when people start clicking, then YouTube will be recommending your videos to others to watch. So when your title and your thumbnail is not giving what it's supposed to give, your click-through rate will be low and YouTube will not recommend your videos. Another reason why YouTube will stop recommending your videos is if people are leaving your videos too quickly. Let's imagine that your video is 8 minutes long and people just watch a minute of your video. When they watch a minute and click off immediately, or even 30 seconds and click off immediately, this will send a bad signal to the algorithm. It will like, the algorithm will be like, okay, people are watching this video but they are not even spending time, they're not even watching it like halfway to know what the video is about. So YouTube will stop recommending your videos. This is why your intro matter. The first 20 seconds of a video is very, very necessary. Don't feel that like making long intros, you talk about things, you say many things in your intros, you don't even go straight to the point, it's too boring. You will not get what you're looking for, because people will click and they will click off immediately. And if you noticed in this video, I did not even introduce myself. I did not say, hey, my name is Samuel and this channel is blah blah blah. I did not say such. I did not ask you to subscribe, if you noticed. So if you're watching me till now, I will ask you now, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe and make sure you like this video. So let's continue. So make sure that your intro is not too long, make sure it's not too boring, make sure you go straight to the point. Whenever you go straight to the point, you will grab their attention and they will watch till the very end. Then make sure you use things like images, stock footages and all that to make your videos to be interesting. Another reason why YouTube is not recommending your videos is because your video topic is too broad, it is too general. Sometimes whenever you use all these general topics, YouTube may struggle to understand who the video is for. YouTube may struggle to understand who the audience is for. For example, now if you create a video on how to get subscribers, like the video topic is how to get subscribers, YouTube may find it difficult to find the right audience. But if you be like how to get subscribers for small channels, or how to get your first 100 subscribers, YouTube will know that okay, this video is mostly for small creators. Then YouTube will not recommend that video to small creators. Like try to make your topic, like if you're writing your topic, make sure that your topic is targeting a specific group of people. Don't just make general topics. Same thing I said, whenever you're using hashtags, don't use general hashtags. Use hashtags for specific group of people. Same thing with your video topic. So make sure that your video topic is not general, like it's not randomly general. Make sure that you're writing or you're like creating videos for a specific group of people. The last reason I'm going to be talking about is very necessary for small creators. If you're a small creator watching this video, another reason why YouTube is not recommending your channel is because maybe YouTube is still testing your channel, your videos. The thing is, when you're a small creator and you're posting your videos on YouTube, you will be getting low views because YouTube is still trying to figure out who your audience is. Like, YouTube is trying to figure out what your audience like, the kind of topics that interest them most, the kind of people that will be interested in your videos. So YouTube is still, testing and trying to find out who your audience is. That's why if they come to your channel, we'll be seeing things like some of your videos will get thousands of views and some will get few views. It's because YouTube is still testing your channel. YouTube is still trying to figure out who your audience is. That is why you need to make sure that your topics are specific. Make sure that your topics are targeting a specific group of people. So that's it. Anytime you're getting low views or you post videos and your videos stop getting views, it doesn't mean that YouTube is ignoring you. It might mean that YouTube is still trying to figure out who your audience are. So just know this: if YouTube is not recommending your videos, it usually comes down to three things. People are not clicking, people are leaving early whenever they're watching your videos, and your video topic is not clear enough. The good news is that these three things can be fixed. According to the video I just made, these three things can be fixed. That is it. So try and make better titles and better thumbnails. Try to skip the long intros, the long boring intros, and try to make sure that your video title is targeted on a specific group of people on YouTube. That way YouTube can understand what your video is all about and recommend it to the right people. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and trust me, I'm going to be applying these solutions on my channel. I've already started and my channel has started improving. So try it. Thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Then again, make sure you click the video card showing on your screen. If you want to upload your next video on YouTube, try to watch this video card showing on your screen. It is very necessary and important. Make sure you watch it before you upload your next video on YouTube.